Hey guys, there are two things I love in food, and that is lemongrass and chicken. Put them together, they're just spectacular. So I decided to do this lemongrass grilled chicken, perfect for the season, simple and easy. You're gonna love it, so let me show you how to do this. Okay guys, I'm gonna kick things off here by bruising the lemongrass. And that's just to get those flavors out and that beautiful aroma. And I'm just going to cut this diagonally into sections. Now I got this at No Frills, but you can buy it in just about any grocery store. And I'm going to transfer the lemongrass into the dish for the marinade. Oh, it smells really lemongrassy. Followed by 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. A tablespoon of olive oil. You can use vegetable oil too. A teaspoon of brown sugar, get out of there, and 2 cloves of garlic finely chopped. Of course, any recipe wouldn't be a recipe without some of my wonderful ground black pepper, and this will be about half a teaspoon or so. Then juice from one of my all-time favorites, lime. I just love lime. Take my handy-dandy spoon and give it the old mix-a-rooney. Oh, and nothing has started to cook, but this smell is incredible, guys. Just these wonderful flavors coming together. Now I'm going to take 500 grams, or about a pound, of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Now you can use breasts, you can use chicken parts of any kind you want. I just like the thighs, and I like them boneless and skinless. Pop the top on. That's what I love about these sealable containers. And just kind of give it a shake, flip it upside down, just to get all that liquid covering the chicken. Just look at this. And you know what, my friends? I think there's something missing. Uh-oh, my mustache. Oh no. No, I'm just kidding. Now we're just going to set this aside in the fridge and allow it to marinate for about 30 minutes. You can do it overnight too if you like. While the chicken is marinating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. That way you'll never miss a video. And if you like what you see, hit that like button. That really helps us out, guys. After 30 minutes, and just look at this, guys. I'm just going to place this on my hot grill. And we'll grill these up until they're cooked through on both sides. Okay guys, after a few minutes on each side, the chicken is beautifully done, and just look at that grill mark, or those grill marks I should say. And you notice I put some broccoli on here and some cherry tomatoes. And one of our viewers, Steve Logan, he and his wonderful 2 grandgirls just love broccoli, so this is for you, Steve and the girls. Hi Steve, hi girls, hi Mrs. Steve. So we're just about ready here to plate up. Okay guys, it's time to plate this up. Serve our chicken up over a bed of steaming hot rice. Oh, this is gonna be good. With our favorite veggies on the side. And last but not least, garnish this up with some green onions. Now you could do some sesame seeds if you're so inclined, but to me this is good enough. It looks just great. And there you have it guys, our wonderful, simple and easy lemongrass grilled chicken. Okay, my favorite time is chow down time. I'm gonna get some broccoli on here too, guys. And just look at this. It's juicy, it's tender, and you know the smell of it is just like it came out of a restaurant. Just absolutely wonderful. So let's give this a taste. Wow. I just love the grilling. That lemongrass just shines through. The chicken is so tender. The rest of the spices just absolutely gorgeous. You gotta make this, guys. I am gonna eat more of this. Wow. So for this recipe and many more great recipes, head on over to cookandshare.com, become a member, subscribe to our newsletter, just all kinds of wonderful stuff there. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe and see you next time.